They spoiled it. They spoiled something that was so valuable to you, that was so important to you. They really literally spoiled it. They acted up and spoiled your business, your relationship. Some of you, they spoiled your communication gadgets. But God says that He is your ultimate fixer, your repairer this moment. Most especially the things of the spirit, beloved. Because some things happen in the spirit before they manifest in physical. In fact, everything, literally everything occurs in the spirit before they manifest in physical. That's why I'm always focused more on spiritual things, because I function more in the spiritual. Hallelujah. They spoil some things in your life that manifested physically. But the Lord is now, He's fixing those things back in the spirit. He's your great fixer. He's your great repairer. God says that He's repairing some things, some broken things in your life this season. God is repairing broken things in your life this season. Those things that caused shame, lukewarmness. Is it your prayer life? God is fixing your prayer life this season. Is it His word in your mouth? God is restoring His word and strength in your mouth to speak His word this season. Is it your gifts that they stole? God is replacing those gifts, or they destroyed. God is repairing your gifts. He said this season he's focusing on fixing, on repairing some things, some broken things in your life. Is your heart broken? God is repairing your heart. Is your health failing? God is restoring and fixing your health. Are you being confused? God said He's bringing you back to track. Is your relationship failing? God is here to repair your relationship again, once again. Hallelujah. Is your money failing? Your money you just see yourself spending, and your money is going. God is saying this moment that He's fixing your money. God is fixing your money. God is replenishing you. God is granting you abundance. Hallelujah. What's going to be coming into your life this moment? Listen, God is like authenticating you. God is fixing you. God is like the manner in which you are coming out. It's going to be surprising a lot of people. You're becoming so fine because God is busy repairing those broken things in your life this season. God's busy repairing broken things in your life this season. You shall not regret it. God knows that it's been a very hard time. The enemies were just doing things, and perhaps for some reason, God said that it was not all about the enemies, hallelujah, but He had to allow you to go through some things or being broken in a certain way for Him to repair you. And there's some things that He's repairing in your life this moment that not that they were completely being broken, but that He's just trying to transform some things in your life, to upgrade you to a certain standard. Glory be to God. It's your season of repairs. Hallelujah. God is repairing you. God is rebuilding you. God is fixing you. You're blessed. Hallelujah. Rejoice. Rejoice. You're going to be so happy this season. You're going to be, things in your life are going to be just so authentic, so good. And everyone's going to be be congratulating you for staying the course and actually building up and allowing God to build you up like this or like that. You are blessed. See you in the next video. I am Emily. Just calm down, keep you cool, relax, have a wonderful time. Enjoy this season and keep thanking the Lord always for what He's been able to do for you. Hallelujah. And what He's still to do. Hallelujah. He's a God who His works in our lives are never ending. They keep moving forward and upward only in Jesus' mighty name. Hallelujah.